This NeuroGov Plus, Advanced AI, Level 6 Enterprise Cockpit is a mature governance cockpit, not a simple dashboard. It converts AGI and AI intelligence into controlled, policy-validated, audit-ready enterprise decisions under the IGA 2026 architecture. Mature verdict, AGI and pure AI remain in the inform layer. They generate forecasts, RMSE signals, scenarios, and intelligence, but they do not hold authority. Analyzer 1.0 evaluates KPI, TSI, OSI, and RMSE, while the policy engine defines what is allowed, conditionally allowed, held, or blocked. Assure preserves audit evidence, accountability and institutional memory. This cockpit demonstrates the full transition from prediction to governed execution. It supports domain selection, linked policy selection, Analyzer 1.0 verdicts, RMSE stability, release gate control, scenario AVSB, Sankey governance flow, evidence upload, image/video proof, TDS narration and boardroom level explainability. Final mature verdict, this is an enterprise governance brain. AI produces intelligence, NeuroGov Plus governs whether it is safe to act, and Assure protects the evidence of every decision. Brain NeuroGov Plus, Advanced AI, Product Explanation. What is the product? NeuroGov Plus, Advanced AI, is an AI governance engine that converts raw AI predictions into controlled, validated, and accountable enterprise decisions. It is not another AI model. It is a decision control system for AI. Gear core product function. The product sits between AI/AGI systems, intelligence generators, enterprise execution systems, ERP, operations, decisions, and ensures no AI-driven decision is executed without governance validation. Puzzle piece product architecture, IGA 2026 based. One brain inform layer, AI/AGI. Generates forecasts, predictions, RMSE, error signals. Role, advisory only. 2 govern layer, core product engine. This is where NeuroGov Plus operates. Includes Analyzer 1.0, KPI rightward arrow TSI rightward arrow OSI evaluation. Decision, allow/condition/hold/block. Policy engine. Domain rules, RBI, ISO, ESG, etc. Defines what is allowed. This is the decision authority layer. 3 shield assure layer. Stores audit logs, evidence, image/video/text, compliance records, makes decisions, traceable, auditable, accountable. Bar chart what the product delivers. From your cockpit implementation. Heavy checkmark decision intelligence. KPI, TSI, OSI plus RMSE evaluated in real time. Analyzer 1.0 generates governed verdicts. Heavy checkmark scenario simulation. Scenario AVSB, what if engine. Decision before execution. Heavy checkmark stability control. RMSE trends plus release gate. Ensures safe deployment. Heavy checkmark multi-domain support. Healthcare, finance, manufacturing, etc. Domain plus policy selection. Heavy checkmark evidence-based governance. Image plus video upload. Audit-ready documentation. Heavy checkmark explainability, TDS plus text. Every decision can be explained. Boardroom-ready narration. Rocket product value proposition. Small blue diamond traditional AI. Predicts. Suggests. No accountability. Small blue diamond NeuroGov Plus product. Controls decisions. Validates logic. Ensures accountability. Brain key product differentiator. Intelligence does not equal authority. NeuroGov Plus ensures AI cannot act alone. Decisions are Policy-driven. Analyzer-validated. Audit-protected. Enterprise use cases. CFO decision control, finance governance. Hospital risk validation, healthcare. Production and quality governance, manufacturing. Public policy execution, government. One product rightward arrow multiple domains. High voltage power product summary. NeuroGov Plus is a governance layer for AI that uses AI for intelligence. Uses Analyzer Plus policy for decisions. Uses Assure for accountability. Transforming AI prediction rightward arrow governed decision systems. NeuroGov Plus is not an AI tool, it is a governance engine that controls, validates, and assures every AI-driven decision before execution. Dr. Pradeep K. Suri. IGA 2026 Sankey Flow Logistics/Route Risk Policy. This Sankey diagram refreshes for the selected domain and linked policy. It shows the governed flow from AGI/pure AI intelligence generation to 3D, 10D cognitive cube processing, Analyzer 1.0 evaluation, policy engine authority, decision gate control, and Assure audit evidence. AGI thinks. Analyzer 1.0 evaluates. Policy defines truth. NeuroGov Plus governs execution. Assure guarantees accountability. Intelligence never equals authority. Under IGA 2026, AI remains advisory in inform, governance decides in govern, and audit evidence is protected in Assure. This is the shift from predictive AI to governed, accountable enterprise decision systems. Analyzer 1.0 Domain Policy Explanation. Selected domain, logistics. Linked policy, route risk policy. Current governance values. KPI, 80 performance strength. TSI, 25 risk/support pressure. OSI, 78 outcome success indicator. RMSE, 6 prediction error and release stability signal. Decision gate, allow. Governance interpretation. The selected domain and policy are within safe governance limits. Analyzer 1.0 can recommend allow, subject to audit capture in Assure. IGA 2026 boundary. AGI and pure AI remain in inform as intelligence generators. Analyzer 1.0 and the policy engine operate in govern to decide whether intelligence becomes controlled action. Assure records the evidence, audit trail, and accountability. Power line. Domain defines the operating context. Policy defines the rule authority. Analyzer 1.0 converts KPI, TSI, OSI, and RMSE into governed enterprise decisions. AGI forecast logistics/route risk policy. The forecast graph has been refreshed for the selected domain and linked policy. AGI remains strictly in the inform layer. It generates trend intelligence, domain signals, and advisory forecast movement, but it does not approve or execute decisions. NeuroGov Plus passes this intelligence to Analyzer 1.0 and the policy engine before action. Dr. Pradeep K. Suri is the inventor and architect of the 3D, 10D AI-DNN engine, Cognitive Cube, Analyzer 1.0, NeuroGov Plus, Advanced AI, and IGA 2026 governance architecture. His work separates intelligence from authority by placing AGI and pure AI in inform, while governance, policy, audit, and accountability remain controlled through govern and Assure.